Alright, what's up, guys? So today is Sunday. I hope everyone had a good weekend. And let's take a look some chart. SPY again. This thing is, is this a double top? I don't know yet. We'll see this if this support. This is small 3-day, 4-day support holds. If it doesn't hold 1238, then I think we can have a confirmation for this double top. That's how I take it. If they close below this thing, okay? And yep. So the small one, I don't usually look at the IWM, but IWM start pulling back on Friday. Significant move, huge down move. This is the, if you don't know about IWM, is the Russell 2000. It tracked 2000 small companies. So pretty obvious small move, like down move all day. Not even, it didn't even bounce. So maybe that's an indication. Indication that's a sign for, markets pulling back or something. Like strong stock Amazon. Nice earning, but hey, sold off. I guess people are profit taking on this. Pretty obvious. This thing just, I didn't trade this one, but it's just a nice chart to look at it. All day long downtrend. Like it didn't even bounce. Like if you have, let's say if you play 100 shares from, let's say 46 all the way to 224, that's 22, that's $22. With 100 shares, that's like 22,000, well, $2,200. Anyway, let's take a look some chart, AAOI, and this thing is holding, and right at this, they had I think we trade this right here when the down move happened. Oh, right here. Now it's curling back. Seems holding very clean pattern and looking for a 50 break. Very possible. Mm. ASPS, right? Since the news is just being beat up, um, maybe finding a support here. It could bounce. We'll look for a bounce over 22. It's 22 right here, but 23 should have a nice. It could once it bounces, it should be nice, you know. And BAB is 115 so far. BAB is doing a flag pattern. Oh, that's how I look at it. And if you look at a 1 hour chart or 4 hours, it's pretty obvious this thing is trying to hit all-time high. It's marching toward this 120. I think this time eventually we're gonna hit it. And yep, very close, only $5. And this earning is on what? May 18th. We'll see how it goes on the 18th. All right, and what this looks like to you guys? Is it looks like a big cup? Are we gonna be like a cup handle? I don't know, but looks like it. Look at it, rounding shape. Go all the way right here. If you draw a line, if you draw a picture, then this is pretty much a cup, but without the handle yet. So I don't know. We'll see. I have this in long term in my IRA account. And I think I bought right here, somewhere right here. Let's see what's next one. And what's the next one? I look at it. Give me 1 second. HCMP. HCMP. Okay. HCMP is holding this level pretty nicely. And if you look at the minute chart, this 1570, 1550 level or 60 level, you can say it. This level, earning is on the eighth, so it could bounce. It has room to go, and it's huge support right here, and it's pretty much is holding support. Pretty obvious. It could, it could bounce for sure. And ENTA, this thing too. 32. This 32 level is holding well and trending. Keep moving higher, 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 low, and earning soon too. It's earning season, so okay. Momo is getting still holding as we talk about it. And this is a first range base, second base, still looking for this 49 push above. It could happen any day. If this thing bounce like gap up to as Monday or Tuesday with a significant, let's say a 50.50% gap, it could really go. I mean, that's how I took a look at it. Netflix is all this big cap thing, well, big beta stock, and this is a flagging. It could keep moving higher over this 130, 153.50. I have this on in my RA too, so. And what else? Uh, AAO. I think I have AAO already. Snap is moving higher slowly. Every day this thing moves, can come back. I trade this one at the Friday, but I'm not really looking at this thing. I'm not gonna trade this. Small caps. We have some SNCR. Okay, SNCR. This is the thing that got beat up. Uh, I think this one. This one is still in play, and it has a very nice range. So I would like to play more this thing if this thing is more intraday. It like how it opens up and how the pattern during the day. Because this thing just has such a nice volatility. 43, 53, 20% move or 10% move in the day. Easy stuff. And I think MBTC, is that the MBTC or MTBC? Okay. MTBC is holding currently, but still trying to bounce and push back. I think this one will come down, but any pop back now is the first red day pop back and short more fate. Look for more fate, definitely. And what is the second one? And NTBC, TWTR, Twitter, This chart. Ooh, is this thing gonna pull back a little bit after 1650? But gap up after the morning hours. Hmm, have to wait and see. It's not really sure about this one. AUPH. This thing just keep holding every day, pop some short, pop some short. If you short all these pops, you're making really nice money. But the thing is, this thing is still holding. They're holding pretty nice at the 7 level. Can this thing have another run? Go back up? Eh, possible. Because they're absorbing a lot of, selling pressure. If this thing would come down, usually will come down like this way. But now it's off holding obviously, and they trying to look at it. It's trying to push 750 a couple times. Test it, fail, but hold it. Test it, got snap back, hold it. And test it, snap back, hold it. I think this thing might have, Eventually, it might break up. Possible. There's a possibility. You just have to watch this thing. I won't hold anything even long or short overnight, but this thing is intraday should be nice. Yep. Mm, I see G and E. I think this one is holding in a way. And I usually don't mention like low flow stock in the long run because if you mention stuff like this, I always think you're kind of making people trying to pump this thing. Okay. Rather than when they have the news and the liquidity, then you play with it. Not before, because then I become a pumper. That's just not the thing I would like to do, because I know some chat room does that. They'll show you guys, they're showing people, oh, this chart looks nice, this company looks nice, you should get buy some. Everybody buy some. This buy, you buy a little bit, I buy a little bit, everybody buy a little bit. Then this thing, boom, yeah, because it's a low flow, and people pump this thing, and people whoever telling you to buy it, they're getting beforehand, and they can sold off, and it's just BS. Anyway, so that's it. Uh, Oh, Monday I'm not gonna trade it. I have a doctor appointment for my kid, and so good luck, and I'll see you guys on Tuesday. Thank you for watching.